this song, Live Well. It starts out with this E minor 9 chord. Okay, so we're playing index on the 10th fret on the A string, playing the middle finger on the 11th fret on the G string, and then your ring finger is on the 12th fret on the low E, and your pinky is on the D string at the 12. Then we go G, B minor 7, that E minor 9. It's got a weird rhythm though. It's like 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4. So it's like a polyrhythm. And then the chorus is D, G, B minor 7 to A. And then the bridge is yeah, and that time I played G to E minor 7 because they're very similar chords. This is the E minor 7. So you can play it however you want. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye-bye.